Hello, it's Markham Torchwood here from Markham 3D, and this is my devlog 2 for Lights Camera Action 2019. So you just saw one of the test renders that I did of the monkey head exploding. It took me about 20 minutes-ish to come up with the final result. It took about 2 hours to render that out. But this is kind of the process that I went in creating it. I'm really happy on how that came out. Hopefully it pops out on the big screen, because I definitely will be using this effect probably, I think, about 3 or 4 times. I've already gotten the script written out, which is quite nice. I've gotten my female voiceover, which is good. I look forward to working with Tina. Animating, though, I'm not looking forward to, because I've only got like 3-4 days to animate, and then I got to start rendering. But it's not, I don't have 3-4 days. I've got, 2-3 hours a night to to animate. So I'm looking at maybe doing 2 hours a minute. I'm looking at doing a 3-minute thing. Even though I've got 7 minutes, I think 3 minutes should be enough. But that also includes all the modeling, because we have to go to different locations. I have to use objects, yada yada yada. So it worries me a little bit, but I'm going to put my best foot forward, and I'm going to come out a winner. So watch the rest of the video. Enjoy.